There's a special reason to celebrate, the opportunities available to inspire young people.
In the outdoors, here in the lakes, I kind of had the confidence, I had the ability. I think the YHA is really important for young people in general because it provides opportunities that they might not have, and those opportunities, whether it's in the outdoors, whether it's to see things in a different way, can be life-changing, as they were for me many years ago.
Mark McAlinden, BBC Look North, Keswick.
Well, staying with the 2015 floods and the Jorvik Vikings